Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are gonna discuss about NumPy broadcasting. So broadcasting is a process that NumPy uses to add two matrices of different dimensions. Okay, so now if we conventionally try to add two matrices, like let's say I have a matrix A of 1, 2, 3 and I have another matrix B that is 4, 5, 6. Now if I conventionally try to add A plus B, it is not possible. Okay, because we know that to add two matrices the dimensions should be same, whereas in A matrix the dimension is 3 cross 1 and in B matrix the dimension is 1 cross 3. So conventionally we cannot add them, but by using NumPy package we can. Okay, so and the process is called broadcasting. So the response of NumPy broadcasting is gonna be a matrix of shape 3 comma 3, and the first 3 comes from here, that is the number of rows, and the second 3 comes from here, that is the number of columns. Okay, so this is very similar to as we multiply a matrix conventionally. Now suppose if I was trying to multiply A cross B, then it was 3 comma 1, 1 comma 3. So the answer would be a matrix of 3 cross 3. Okay, because the two threes come from here, the row from the first matrix and the number of columns from the second matrix. So similarly the response of broadcasting will also be an array, will also be a matrix of 3 cross 3 shape. Okay, so now let's see how broadcasting works. Okay, so now suppose our A is 1 comma 2 comma 3 and its size is 3 cross 1, but the response is 3 cross 3 as we just discussed over here. Okay, so now you can see the only difference is in the number of columns. So what it will do is it will automatically add two more columns. Okay, so that will be 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, and now this is 3 cross 3 as we wanted, so this is done. Now similarly we have array B, that is 4 5 6 and it is 1 cross 3. So over here also you can see only one is there, that is not matching. That means the number of columns are not matching. So what it will do is it will automatically add two more columns. Okay, so now this becomes 4 5 6 4 5 6 4 5 6, and you can see that the values remain the same, they are just copied. Okay, so now over here we have 3 cross 3. So now you can see we have a matrix of 3 cross 3 and B matrix of 3 cross 3, and now we can simply add them. Okay, so let's see. A plus B is gonna be 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 plus 4 5 6 4 5 6 4 5 6, and the response is like 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 plus 4 is 7, and similarly we have 6 7 8 and we have 7 8 9. So this is our response. Okay, this is our answer of A plus B using NumPy broadcasting. Okay, so I hope it was clear to everyone. Now the subtraction also works in the same manner. Okay, and the multiplication can be done conventionally also, because the number of columns in the first matrix and the number of rows in the second matrix is same. Okay, so we don't need to worry about that. Okay, so this is how NumPy broadcasting works. Let's see it by writing some code. Okay, so first I'll import my NumPy package. Now I'll create two arrays. A is equal to np dot array, and the array is gonna be 1 2 3. Okay, so it is similar to the array that we took over here. And now let's create b array. So b is gonna be np dot array and 4 comma 5 comma 6, and let's print b. So you can see 4 5 6, but it is still a row. Now let's convert it to a column. Okay, means we are transposing it. Okay, so for that what we can do is we will simply write b is equal to b, then we'll give a square bracket and then give a colon. Okay, so colon means select everything if we don't add values to the right or left of the colon. Okay, so I hope this was clear. And then we write np dot new axis. Okay, means change it to a new axis. Okay, now if I print b, it should be a column. So you can see how it changed from a row to a column. Now let's actually see NumPy broadcasting in action. So I'll simply write a plus b, and we get the response 5 6 7 6 7 8 and 7 8 9, which is very similar to what we have over here. Okay, so I hope this NumPy broadcasting was clear. Now I can also try with subtraction, and the response will be similar to it. Okay, now let's check if the response is as expected or not. Okay, so now if I write a minus b, this is gonna be 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 minus 4 4 4 5 5 5 6 6 and 6. So the response is 1 minus 4 is minus 3, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, and 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 1 minus 5 is minus 4, then 2 minus 5 is minus 3, and then again minus 2. So now it will be minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. So this is our answer, and you can see we got the same thing over here. So I hope you understood what NumPy broadcasting is and how it internally adds or subtracts two matrices of different dimensions. I hope NumPy broadcasting was clear. See you in the next video. Thank you.